Hello there and welcome to Chris All Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. I know it's got twice as many wheels as what we normally deal with, but yeah, this is coming to stock. It's a 2021 Ford Ranger Raptor, absolutely immaculate, only done 15,500 miles. The number plate is not coming with it, by the way. So yeah, this is the so obviously I'm not going to go into too much detail because I don't know that much about this yet. This is just a quick walk around video. Absolutely immaculate truck. Like I say, it's a 2021 Ranger Raptor. Real nice spec on it. It's got a couple of extras on it which we'll get to in a minute. It's absolutely immaculate. It's done 15,500 miles. One of the extras we're going to get to is the tow ball. Inside has been used for carrying shopping, and that is about it. I'm not sure if you can see that because of the sun. For once it's actually really bright in Doncaster today, but yeah, it's never really carried anything more than shopping, this truck. It's absolutely faultless. There's not a mark on it. Tyres are in good condition. Bodywork's immaculate, as you can see. I'm just having a quick walk around. Anyone that knows these trucks, I know this is the top kind of spec truck from Ford, and like I say, I don't think the back seats have actually ever been sat in. So yeah, it's a one owner truck from new, still under warranty until March next year, depending at the time of viewing. It's the 7th of August 23, so yeah, but as you can see inside, it's been a second car, and it's absolutely immaculate. It's like a new pin. Oh, didn't show that properly. You've obviously got the nice side steps going down there. Like I say, all four tyres are in really good condition. The alloys are as well. There's no chips or dents out of those at all. We've got this bug screen on the front. So they're the two extras on this truck from standard. But other than that, absolutely beautiful. Love the colour. What do you think of the colour, guys? Absolutely love it. So real nice. Let's just get in the back here just to show you quickly. Like I say, absolutely faultless truck. Let's just do this one as well. Driver's seat, obviously. Let's push the start button somewhere there. Mileage is, oh sorry, 18,481 miles. My mistake, can't see anything because of the sun. But yeah, 18,000, sorry, my mistake. So like I say, still under warranty with Ford until March next year. March 24, that is. I'll put an actual day on that just in case. We've got the sliding top lid on there. God, this sun's bright today. Anyway, any questions, give us a shout. There is a price and description below. I'll sort that out for you. But that is the 2021 Ford Ranger Raptor in stock, 18,000 miles, full Ford history as well. It's serviced regardless of cost at Ford, and it's absolutely immaculate, that truck. And it's a good looking truck as well. So any questions, you can give me a shout on 01302 760 967, or you can email me chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you do want to come and look at the truck itself, give me a shout, because it won't be kept on site, because obviously we've only got space for motorbikes, so we have to keep this truck off site. So if you want a viewing, just give me a day's notice. I can make sure the truck is at the showroom for you to have a test drive in, etc, etc. Other than that, guys, I'm going to sign this one off. It was a real short one today. So yeah, don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. I've actually got another Ford truck coming in later on in the week, a Wild Track, I think it is, an 18 in white. So yeah, that one's VAT free. I'm not sure on the VAT situation on this, but if you ask me a question, I'll find, by the time this goes out, I will find out. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you all very soon. And don't forget, if you're passing by Doncaster, the kettle is always on. Cheers.